Hi, I'm Neill Franklin from Law Enforcement Against Prohibition, LEAP. And I just want to talk about the significance of the Caravan for Peace, Justice, and Dignity coming to places like Baltimore. This is an opportunity for the people of Baltimore, the mothers who have experienced their children going into prison, their children being shot in the streets and killed, to meet moms from Mexico who experience very similar things. The disappearance of their children, their relatives, their brothers, their sisters, the murders that they experience here. It's an opportunity to bring these two people together from Mexico and the U.S. and to share their stories and to build a moment of unity in moving to end the policies that are responsible for this type of mayhem and this type of destruction of our families and of our communities. So it's really about saving our families, saving our brothers, our sisters, our communities, and our neighborhoods. That's why.
I'm Neill Franklin, a 33-year law enforcement veteran from Maryland, USA.
Soy Neill Franklin, trabajaba con policía en Baltimore, Maryland, 33 años.
I have spent the majority of my career enforcing laws of drug prohibition.
Pasé la mayoría de mi carrera enforzando leyes de prohibición.
During that time, I have lost many comrades in fighting through our laws of prohibition.
Durante este tiempo he perdido muchos compañeros de trabajo peleando esta guerra de prohibición contra las drogas.
One in particular is Edward Totley, a very close friend.
Uno en particular se llama Edward Totley, un amigo muy cercano.
He was assassinated while working undercover in Washington, D.C.
Fue asesinado trabajando bajo cubierto en Washington, D.C.
Shortly after that, I began my journey to change the laws of prohibition.
Poco después, yo empecé mi jornada para cambiar las leyes de prohibición contra las drogas.
I retired from law enforcement to manage an organization of law enforcement against prohibition.
Me jubilé, me retiré de trabajar como policía y me junté con una organización de oficiales del Estado trabajando para parar prohibición.
It is an international organization of law enforcement professionals, police, judges, prosecutors, and corrections.
Es una organización internacional de ex oficiales de Estado, incluyendo jueces, abogados, policía, fiscales.
We advocate for an end to drug prohibition and for smarter, more humane and compassionate policies.
Abogamos por un fin de las políticas de prohibición.
Policies that are focused upon health and security.
Políticas que se enfocan en salud y seguridad.
Our current policies are counterproductive to public safety.
Las políticas hoy en día son contraproducentes para la seguridad ciudadana.
Because of the money that is generated in the illicit trade.
Porque del dinero que está generado en el intercambio ilícito.
It has made our communities here in Mexico and in the United States extremely dangerous.
Ha hecho las comunidades aquí y también en Estados Unidos supremamente peligrosos.
During this journey, I learned of the tens of thousands of murders in Mexico.
Durante mi jornada, mi tiempo, he aprendido de los dieces de miles de muertos de hace tantos aquí en México.
But until traveling here this weekend, I had no idea of the pain.
Pero hasta viajar aquí este fin de semana, no podía imaginar el dolor.
I heard the stories.
Escuché los testimonios.
the horrific stories of murder, of disappearances.
Los horríficos testimonios de asesinatos, de desapariciones,
and family members who have yet to return.
y de los familiares que todavía no han regresado.
We also have pain in the United States.
También tenemos dolor en Estados Unidos.
We have the drug prohibition murders.
Tenemos los asesinatos debidos a la prohibición de las drogas.
We have mass incarceration of mainly black and brown people.
Tenemos la encarcelación masiva de gente mayormente morenos y afroamericanos.
We, in the U.S., are 5% of the world's population, but yet we house 25% of the world's prisoners.
En todo el mundo somos 5% de la población, pero tenemos 25% de todas las personas encarceladas.
It's supposed to be the land of the free.
Debe de ser la tierra de los libres, de libertad.
And from that, we have many orphans.
Pero de esto tenemos muchos huérfanos.
This caravan of peace, caravan for peace, justice, and dignity,
Esta caravana por la paz, justicia y dignidad
is an opportunity to unite the people of Mexico and the people of the U.S.
es una oportunidad para unir la gente de México y la gente de Estados Unidos
with a common message of saving our brothers, our sisters, our families, and our communities.
con un mensaje común de salvar nuestros hermanos, nuestras hermanas, nuestras familias, nuestras comunidades.
And that's what we must do to save our countries.
Esto es lo que tenemos que hacer para salvar los dos países.
Gracias.
Gracias, Neill.